Rahim.
Oh! Whoa!
Wow!
What was that reach? I'm quite sure kapantay his coach Rhea de Bacolangan Villarete in her peak years.
What a dig by Bicar. Pozas, an adjustment. Santiago sets. Rahim again.
Grabe talaga yung approach ni Rahim. In the elevation and the power combined. Take a look at that again. Hindi nga masyadong malayo yung... And with that reaction after.
We're getting a game within a game here with Rahim and Aligayon. Right on cue!
That did not look like a pipe attack.
Oh, that was from the back line?
Oo, yung net parang bumaba eh. Parang naging pang badminton eh.
So a 2-point lead here is UE. Sharp serve. Rahim from the back.
Oh. Sharp serve. Returned by a sharp attack. It is becoming a showdown between Aligayon and Rahim here in the second set. In set number 1, it was a...
Nice receive by Soto. Just like that. Just like that.
Tingnan mo naman, pag hindi kailangan mag-adjust, it's always a perfect execution by Rahim. This deserves a second look. Single blocker, Aligayon.
Santiago, tough set. Rahim!
And this is a dangerous rotation for UP. Rahim in the front line and now only...
4 serving 1 now. Misreceived. Rahim improvises.
Triple block, who? And ito yung kanina nabanggit natin na partner na kapag si Rahim natuto pang mag-adjust sa mga offset.
Aligayon will receive to the opposite side in Pozas. Rahim over the double block, elevating over the double block.
With their magic, kanina nangyari yan nung nagkaroon din ng mga konting rotation eh. So, we still don't see Lagando on the court. Castrodes.
Rahim. Parang yun na lang sinasabi ko, no? Rahim.
But for Rahim, parang walang smaller blocker, lahat naging small.
They find themselves down by 2. Bicar will go to the open. Sent back right away. Pozas, drop ball. And a free ball for UE. Andre Bicar back to Pozas. And the rally's ongoing. Rahim from the back. And Rahim, it's gone away.
We got scared for a second there. You saw the efforts of Piojo to go for the second ball save. Because they got a touch on that Rahim hit.
We are tied at 21.
But magandang character building experience ito for the very young squad of UP.
It's a race to 4. Andre Bicar, pinabawi si Piojo, naiangat ni Castrodes. Rahim for the lead!
Coach Carlo reminding his boys to the more experienced squad compared to the younger UP team.
Sharp serve. Rahim from the right back. And that one's outside.
Kasadong kasado eh.
Rahim, he's been quiet so far. Well, not anymore.
Kasado ba? Tingnan mo yan, inibabawan yung kanyang dalawang blockers. It's just textbook execution.
What a quick attack for Francisco. No whistle. Play continues. Bersano. Santiago, one-handed set. Rahim!
One-handed set by Santiago to Rahim. And it doesn't look like they struggled at any point there. As much as they have a 4-point lead, hindi sila pwedeng mag-relax. It's been a very tough match against UE.
Rahim, oh, dumadrop ball!
The first time in this match. May baon pa palang ganon, no? Kasi kanina, those hits, or the energy and the excitement na nasa-share niya din sa teammates niya.
Bikar to the back row. Piojo was blocked. Now to the right back. Santiago will set up. His open. Triple block was there. Joust. UP has it. Clarence Santiago to the opposite side. Rahim with a much needed point.
Aligayan's in the front row, but this isn't his favorite part of the court.
Nag-drop ball si Rahim. Binuhay. That's over. So it's either a tie or match point. You pick. Here we go. Andre Bikar, the toss to Aligayon. Slowed down by the blockers. Santiago will go to the opposite side. Popped up by Roca. Aligayon. Oh, not the set he wanted. A big chance for UP. Rahim will elevate and score. We are tied at 13.
Sinet sa kanya, ni Aligayon rather.
Race to 2. Buckle up your seatbelts. Here we go. Bersano. They will go to Rahim.
If they get to receive this one, but it is Aceron who's serving right now.
Santiago will go to the open. Rahim pulling it down. Roca to serve. UE looking for the win. The go-to, Rahim breaking the block.